Welcome to Virginia City in Nevada. Welcome in Virginia City in Nevada. We are here in a historic little mining town where in 1859 the gold fever began. They discovered gold and silver, and this became the biggest deposit in the United States. It turned this small city into a booming industrial city of nearly 25,000 people by the early 1870s. Though it started as a gold rush, the silver made Virginia City famous. Early 1880, the population dropped because there was no more gold and silver. Today, it only has under 1,000 people living in this city, although it is still thriving because of the almost 2 million visitors a year. It smells like Christmas in here. They even have a city mall. Oh my God, they caught me. So we have, oh, this is so big, a big piece of vanilla, and we have the rocky road. So I was gonna try. How do I just bite it off? Oh my god, that is so soft. That is really nice. That's really nice. Let's try the vanilla. This is literally such a big piece. Really nice. Grandma Fudge Factory.
Howdy folks, I'm Kettle Corn Raleigh as seen on YouTube. You can call me Corn Pop. Please enjoy the pour, young lady. Our rockin' poppin' sweet and salty golden nugget kettle corn, I pop it with pure coconut oil. And you can taste the difference. One little taste is all it takes. Our kettle corn sells itself. Please, sir, have some more. Enjoy the pour. From our popper to the hop. That's when I blend in that perfect balance of sea salt that you're enjoying fresh right now. Again, I'm Kettle Corn Raleigh as seen on YouTube. Check us out. Also Dirt Cheap Virginia City on YouTube. That's how popular our kettle corn has become. They are very fun and entertaining videos.
It's really good popcorn. Really good. I hope you enjoyed this little tour through historic town, Virginia City in Nevada. We got stocked up on some fudge and popcorn. I hope you like this video. If you ever going to visit Virginia City, just make sure that between December and April a lot of shops are closed, so keep that in mind. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.